Tissue repair plays a critical role in restoring homeostasis by replacing or regenerating damaged cells and reestablishing the normal function of tissues and organs. When injury occurs, whether from trauma, infection, or inflammation, the body initiates a repair process to stop bleeding, clear out damaged cells, and rebuild the tissue structure. This process typically involves inflammation, proliferation, and remodeling phases. Inflammation brings immune cells to the area to prevent infection and begin cleanup. During proliferation, new cells and extracellular matrix components are produced, often by fibroblasts, to fill the gap. In remodeling, the tissue reorganizes to restore strength and function. Depending on the tissue type and severity of damage, repair may occur through regeneration, which is restoring original tissue, or fibrosis, which is forming scar tissue. By restoring physical barriers, maintaining fluid balance, and enabling proper organ function, tissue repair ensures the body can return to stable internal conditions, achieving homeostasis.